V.E. Shelford from Illinois University gave this law. High amount of one factor is also limiting. According to him, high amount of one factor is also limiting and low amount of factor is also limiting. उनके according लो अमाउंट किसी फैक्टर का ही लिमिटिंग नहीं होता बल्कि हाई अमाउंट भी लिमिटिंग होता है. एग्जाम्पल आर्सेनिक इज अवेलेबल इन हाई अमाउंट. इट इज ऑल्सो limiting factor for some animal and plant. Carbon dioxide limiting in low amount and high amount also. This is also known as combined concept of limiting factor or modern concept of limiting factor. Factor in low concentration as well as in high concentration is limiting. Odum's suggestion. Higher and lower range of tolerance is there for all animals and plants. Odum के according हर प्लांट और एनिमल के लिए हर फैक्टर की हायर और लोअर रेंज ऑफ टॉलरेंस होती है. राना सिल्वेटिका वुड फ्रॉग कैन लिव बिटवीन 5 to 24 डिग्री सेंटीग्रेड टेम्परेचर. राना सिल्वेटिका जो है वो कनाडा में पाया जाने वाला वुड फ्रॉग है और वो 5 to 24 डिग्री सेंटीग्रेड के बीच के टेम्परेचर के बीच ही रह सकता है. स्टीनोथर्मल means it can tolerate small amount of temperature only. Eurythermal means can animal or plant can tolerate wide range of temperature. Stenohydric means the animal or plant can tolerate low amount of water only. Uri means it can tolerate wide range of water. Stenohydric means it can tolerate low range of humidity. Euryhydric means it can tolerate wide range of humidity. Stenohaline means animal or plant which can tolerate low range of salinity. Euryhaline means animal or plant can tolerate wide range of salinity. Stenobaric means plant or animal can tolerate low range of pressure. Uribaric means plant or animal can tolerate wide range of pressure. Stenobathic means it can live some depth of water only. Uribathic means it can live in all depths of water, animal or plant. Stenophotic means animal or plant can tolerate low range of light only. Uriphotic means animal or plant can tolerate wide range of light. Stenophagic means animal or plant can eat or low range of food only, some types of food only. Uriphagic means can eat all types of food. Stenoecious means it can live in particular habitat only. Euriceous means can live in all types of habitat. This is graph showing lower limit of tolerance and higher limit of tolerance. For all physical factors, there is one zone of intolerance, then comes zone of physiological stress, then comes optimum range, then comes stress zone. Zone of intolerance is higher zone of intolerance, or when one factor is present in very high amount like temperature, very high temperature. Animal cannot tolerate very high temperature as well as very low temperature. Two zones are there which shows zone of physiological stress for low temperature also and high temperature also. This is the table showing steno and uri terms for different physical factors like stenothermal and eurythermal are the ranges for temperature. Stenohydric and euryhydric are for water. Stenohydric and euryhydric are for humidity. Stenohaline and euryhaline are for salinity. Stenobaric and uribaric are for pressure. Stenobathic and uribathic are for depth. Stenophotic and uriphotic are for light. Stenophagic and uriphagic are for nutrition. Stenoecious and euriceous are for habit. Example Atlantic salmon Salmo salar lives in seawater but eggs and young ones can live in freshwater only. This is anadromous fish. Wood frog Lithobatus sylvaticus, Rana sylvaticus Young ones and eggs can live in 5 to 24 degrees centigrade temperature only. If out of 10, one nutrient is minimum but sufficient for animal, it will not be limiting factor. Oxygen is limiting in aquatic environment but not in terrestrial environment. If light is less, zinc tolerance increases for plants. If light is more zinc is required by plants. Amphibian animals can tolerate more light if humidity is more because skin does not dries. If nitrogen is sufficient, plants can tolerate low water. If nitrogen is not sufficient or less, water becomes limiting factor. If temperature is low, estuarine animals cannot tolerate salinity. URI more tolerant for maximum factors, animals are distributed more. The animals and plants which are more tolerant and have wide range of tolerance for maximum physical factors are distributed more. Freshwater animals are eurythermal but stenohaline. If one crop is planted in field, productivity will decrease. So crop rotation is required. This is all about Shelford's law of tolerance. Thank you.